Hello, this is Adil Waja. So cool, so exciting. We brought some changes into Epical and it's so amazing. So I thought what I'll do is just go through these changes with you. But before I go through them, I remember the time when I was going through some marketing and training courses and things for the company. And one of the key things that came through the marketing exercises was positivity. Being pushed, be positive so that you can achieve in your management, in your marketing. For me, that was quite a challenging thing to actually work on being positive. So time went by and I started working on being happy and started working on just waking up in the morning and deciding to be happy. It's so easy to be happy, actually. It's so easy to choose to be happy. And the magic thing about being happy is that positivity is happiness shadow. It just follows you. So why work on being positive when you can just work on being happy, and positivity is automatically there? And that was the magic thing for me. It just made an absolute change for me within what I was doing. So anyway, change is really good. And this is where we're at with Epical. We've got some cool changes that's come through. Now in your appointment, I'll go through them. Now in your appointment book, on your appointments, if you click on the services, you have a little pop-up that'll come up, which is the ability to type in the notes of today for that particular service. Okay? But what you'll notice now in the new upgrade is it will have the history of the services in there from the past. So you can see for that particular category of service, all the history of the notes. Added to that though, at the bottom of it, there's a little print button. And you can actually click on the print button and just print those history of notes. And if you've typed something in, that'll be your latest. So that's on the appointment book. Now, as well as if you right click, there's a new menu item called future appointments. So if you click on the future appointments for that client, it will list out in the pop-up all the future appointments from that time forward of that client. So a quick access, instead of going through to the clients and dropping down further, you got access to the future appointments straight from the appointment book, and all you see is the future appointments. As well as there's a print button, so you could use the print button at that time to print out the future appointments to give it to your client. Even choose your docket printer if you have one, so you just do a small little docket with the future appointments that you can hand over to the clients. Okay, now another cool feature that's in the upgrade is wholesale pricing, special pricing, costs and selling discounts on your products. Now this is another level of pricing that you can add to your products. The level of pricing we've broken down. There's little divisions in there. You'll notice in the pricing that you can create little divisions, and the divisions are wholesale pricing, special pricing, sell less a discount percentage, or cost plus a percentage. Okay, now you can add these price levels into your products, and you can choose whatever product you want to add these levels in, and it's on a per product basis. So you add these products in. Now you have your normal selling price, and that's the price that you normally have. But now what's cool about these special price levels is you can actually go to your clients, and there's a new privilege section in the clients where you can drop down, and you can choose for that particular client what special price applies to that client. So this is handy for those that have clients that are on a special price, or they're wholesale clients that come in and buy products from you but have a special price. So you assign these prices to them, and those pricing in those products get overridden by the normal sale price when you make a sale through the point of sale. Okay, now you don't have to go through all the products and assign wholesale pricing for all of them, even if they are the same. You just assign those special pricing to the products that you need to assign to. When you sell a normal product that you don't have any special price or wholesale price attached to it, it will automatically go to the normal selling price. So just do it for the products that you need to. Okay, moving on. contractor flag. We have now contractor flag for your employees. You can choose that this particular employee is a contractor that's coming into your salon or into your business. Okay, now that's under the employee section of your contact information of the employees, and all you got to do is tick to say that this particular employee is a contractor. Now how a contractor works is, if you have someone that's renting a chair or something like that, that is actually coming and bringing revenue in, but they're not part of your salon. So having this contractor flag, you'll be able to, in your staff reporting and so on, be able to either include them or exclude them out of your reports. So that's handy. Moving on, we've got now, you are now able to upload a logo into Epical. Now the logo is your logo of your business. So when you upload the logo into Epical, your online bookings will have your logo on it. Your receipts, when you print them out, will have logos on it, and even your statements when you send them out to clients that you have that don't pay immediately, they pay afterwards because they're on an arrangement with you. Okay, so that logo is handy. Now the logo is linked into the group settings of the system, so not on your local settings or business. It's in your group, and it's in your group because it's catered for the organizations that have multiple businesses. So you only need to put the logo in once, and that's in the group settings for the whole organization. Okay, now in the pause, that's the next function. In the pause, we have now a new button at the bottom called email. So when you do a sale, or when you need to email a receipt or something, you just hit that button and it'll pop up saying, do you want to email this? And you hit yes, and the email will go off to the client, which is the actual docket. So that's a new button in POS. Okay, there's a cool new report. Lastly, there's a cool new report under the booking section, which is on the top left section. There's a report called Staff Utilization Report. This is a new report, and we thought it would be really cool. Now, utilization, what is utilization? Is basically how well are staff being utilized in the salon. In other words, how well have they have bookings to the amount of available time in the salon. So say, for example, for that week or whatever period you're doing, they've worked total of 40 hours, and they've had bookings, and they've been working on clients 20 hours of the week. Their utilization figure would be 50%. So it gives you an idea of how much of their time that they've spent in the salon actually doing work that's bringing in revenue for you. Now it'll give you all the breakdown of stuff of each individual stuff, as well as at the bottom it will give you a total, and that total is basically a grand total of your whole salon. So that'll give you your salon as well. So both of those, that information is on the report. With that report too, is you can actually do it, if you're doing over a longer period, say a month, you can actually do it by week. So if you do it by week, it'll actually do it for each staff member. It'll give you week 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see what the trend of utilization is for that staff member. So it's a cool report, and it'll give you an idea of how busy your salon is. So that's the cool upgrades that's in the system. So go ahead, have fun. Any questions, pick up the phone, give us a call, and we'll take you through it. There should be probably a couple more actual videos that I've put together, that's where to find things on the actual system. But besides these are the main things. There are other little things as well, and you can see on the email that we've sent out that there are other little things that you can go through. But as I say, any questions, give us a call. And guys, choose happiness. It's awesome. Love to you all. Bye.